Hello, honey. I'm home from work. How are you?
Oh, hi, Phil. Yes, I'm doing very well. How about you?
I'm doing very well myself. How about you?
I'm doing very well. How about you?
Very well. How about you?
Very well, then. Guess what, honey?
What? Did we win the lottery? Because this house is empty.
Oh, Phil, this house isn't empty, and you know that, don't you?
Yeah, no. Well, it kind of is. Okay, you have a point of it not being so empty because we have a table and a plant. Yeah, it's not empty. And we have the floor and the wall. I told you, Phil, what things that you know that I don't. What if I told you I'm not your husband?
Phil!
How could you? I am your father, and I've come to enslave the whole planet, and you will be my queen that has lots of cats. Phil? What have you done, Phil? My name is not Phil. It is Batman! Batman! Oh no, I'm gonna die! No!